Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can make money with inbox dollar in Nigeria and other unsupported countries. So before that, my name is Emmanuel. I'm an internet marketer. What I do in this channel is I verify things and I try things, and anyone that work for me I show you guys. So what I'll be teaching in this video is I will be teaching you step by step. I'll be teaching you how you can create inbox dollar accounts. I'll be teaching you how you can because inbox dollar account you cannot create inbox dollar account in Nigeria and other unsupported countries. But I'm teaching you how you can create inbox dollar account, and I'll be teaching you how you can make money with inbox dollar account in Nigeria and other unsupported countries. So stick with me at the end of this video. Subscribe to my channel down in the description. Give me a like on this video. So the next time I drop a video, I have to make one other. YouTube actually give me the question that I've actually give a video. So guys, the first step here is to go over to Google here and search for Windscribe. And search for Windscribe. Look at it here. Just click on this one that says Windscribe or Windscribe. So you can see this app here. You will install it in your phone. So you can see that the app is already installed in my phone. So this is a VPN. This thing will actually hide your IP address. It will actually hide. So what we do after installing it in your phone, just go open it. Just change your Just change your country to, you can put it like US, so that you can be able to for you to create the inbox dollar, because inbox dollar is available for US and Canada. So you will, if you open it, the country that you're going to put is US. So after that the next step is to go to YouTube. I'll be leaving the link in the description. So if you click on the link, it will actually bring you here. If it bring you here, just put your email address, just put password that you can remember, and confirm the password. After confirming the password, let me just log in. I actually created an account for this video. Basically for this video. Let me just log in here. So right here, if I just put my, look at the account that I created basically for this video, I just hit login here. It's logging me in. So you can see that I already have $7. This $7, I just created the account. They give me $5 bonus. So I complete my profile and just earn this $7. So when you log in, when you create your account, you have to go to email. If you verify your account, you'll be getting $5 sign up bonus. So if you complete your profile, you'll be getting this $7 right here. So how you can make money easily, because if you are going for task, unless you have someone that you can use, if you want to make more money in this inbox dollar, you have to get someone that you can pull his or her number, her US number. So if they send for the person verification, so the person will take the verification, he then put it. So that's how you can make money from this inbox dollar. And another way is that if you don't have someone, let me say someone living in US that you can use his or her number, all you need to do is just to come up here, or just click here. Just come on this refer friends. So if you come here, as you can see here, right here, if you refer one person that sign up and verify his or her account, you'll be getting $1. You earn $1 cash bonus for qualified referrer. So which means the qualified referrer will be someone that we log in and verify his account. So how you can get someone, because this account is only available for people that is in US. So how you can what you do is that you get people from US that you will refer for you to get this $1. Let me see, if you just refer like 20 people in a day, you'll be getting like $20. If you refer like 30 people in a day, you'll be getting like $30. If you refer 40 people, you'll be getting like $40. 100 people, you'll be getting $100. So yeah, you can go to this website. There's something that I will show you. Go to this website called Quora.com. And so what Quora look like? Quora is a website where people come, they ask questions and get answer. So if you go to Google, search for Quora, it will bring you here. Once it brings you here, you have already created an account. You will create an account with it's just simple to sign up. Your Gmail, your email and password, just simple, and your name and username. It's very, very simple to sign up. So when you sign up, just come on this search here. Just hit this search here. It's loading. So as it's loading, if you are not subscribe to my channel and give me a like in this video. If I'm actually giving you a value in this video. So it's loading. Just come to the search bar right here and search make money USA. You can see what I'm in USA. Just click on search here. So this site is a site that people ask questions and they get answer. So it's loading. So it's loading. It will take some time. It's loading. It's loading. So right here, you can see questions. That people ask. This can ask, what is the best way to make money online in USA? So you can actually come here. If you click on this, what is the best way to make money online in USA? So if you click this, what is the best way to make money online in USA? If you click here right here, it will open up. So it's loading. So right here, you can see that 56 people have answered this question, and 105 people is following this question. So if you come here, just click on answer. If you click on answer here, it will actually bring you here. So if it bring you here, just write a small article about Inboxdollars. Tell them that since Inboxdollars have been around since 2000, and tell them how they can make money with Inboxdollars. In that Inboxdollars, you can see how you can make money by completing offers, by referring people, by doing software, by watching video, by shopping online. So and some others, just explain to them what Inboxdollars is, and after explaining to them, you just put your link in 2 or 3 places. So when you post this thing, Quora will actually send these 105 people that is following this question. Quora will actually send them email. So if Quora actually send the email, they will click it and come here and see your answer. So when they click in your link and sign up, you have gotten $1. So like here, 105 people is following this question. So when you post this thing, let me say like at least 50 or some people we like sign up, I'll be getting like $50. So I'll be getting like $50. So if you come back to the question, if you just code her, you can see a question that people are asking. So this one say, okay, this one is no, you can. So this one say, how can you make money using your say phone in US? So you can actually answer this question if you just click it here. It's loading. It's loading. So as it's loading, if you have not subscribed, smash that subscription button, turn on notification. So the later I drop a video like this, YouTube will actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So it's loading. I don't know why it's taking time. It's loading. How can you make money using your cell phone? It's only 5 people. So if you just write an answer, this Quora will actually send them email. But I recommend that you look for the ones that have much followers. So that is it. You can also earn money by taking survey, watching videos, and playing games. So let me just show you one thing. If you just come here, you can just see how you earn money. So you can see take surveys, watch videos, get reward. So and about the Quora, so make sure that your answers will be different. Your answer will be different. What you write in this one is not what you write in this one. So you know how you will write your article, let your answers be different. So if I actually give you a value in this video, all you need to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and give me a like in this video. Okay, thank you for watching.